Hi everyone, I'm Chief Meteorologist Betty Davis. As far as the tropical update is concerned, no tropical cyclone development expected over the next several days in the Atlantic Basin. Right here at home across South Florida, we will see our rain chance rising over the next several days from 40 to 50%. So with daytime heating and south-southwesterly winds, a better chance for seeing some showers and storms in some of our neighborhoods. Temperatures will stay quite warm and humid with highs reaching the lower 90s each afternoon. Make it a great night.